Bro, if you would like another grill and your wife got a problem with that, go show her this video. Just take it to her. Is she there? Hey, how you doing? Check this out. Bro needs a new grill. Okay? Now I understand. There's already 5, but what's one more? You know what I mean? Um, they all have a purpose. Okay? They all have a purpose, and they also give him a purpose. How's he gonna cook delicious meats and flex on the neighbors, And come on, man. Let the dude let him get another grill. I have grills, okay? I have 8, 7 right now. By the end of the week, I'm gonna have 9. But don't freak out. They all have a different purpose. So this is my Kamado, okay? This is the top of the line. This is like the Cadillac. All right. So gotta have this one. Today I'm messing around like cleaning it, and shining it down with the little spray wax. Nothing crazy. We're gonna see if it works. See? We're out here thinking, trying to figure shit out. This one? Oh, come look at it. See, this is a Weber kettle. And I know you think like that's a Weber kettle, but this is bigger than that one. It does different things. Like if we want to do a dozen or 14 or 16 hamburgers at one time with some hot dogs, we can use this one. That one, it can only probably do about 10, 12 at a time, and it's gonna max out. So if we got a party, come on, man, you want hubs to be on one grill, right? But if we're cooking dinner just for the fam, we also have that one grill. You know what I mean? Just give them a break. What is this? Okay, so this is a turkey fryer. It also doubles as a pot for your seafood boil. Look at that! You don't need to go get another one, okay? We're good. We're good just having this one. We could do the seafood boil in it, and we can fry the turkey. Just, we also need this one. This one is a drum smoker. Now, we need this one so we can hang the ribs on it, okay? And we can hang the chicken on it. But this one is really cool because while he's hanging the ribs and they're like this far from the fire, he can still go pick up the kids because, it's going to be good for a little bit. All right? It's going to be good for a little bit. So you got to let him have that one too. This is very, very essential. Very essential. Come on. No collection is complete without an offset, right? Got to have the offset. Now, he doesn't have to have the nicest one. Okay? He doesn't have to have the reverse flow. Doesn't have to have all the crazy things, but man needs an offset. He needs a Saturday that he's just going to do nothing at all, but just tend to the fire. Okay? And that's peaceful. Okay? That's peaceful. This one right here, this is open fire. This is kind of like, this is extra. Okay? Get him that for Father's Day. Don't let him buy it. This is just for fun. Okay? Like, whatever. It's just for, don't worry about it. You won't even notice it. Just let him have it. Now, I'm not saying he's got to have a 250 gallon. Okay? But if that's his purpose, if he wants to just have it to go feed the homeless people sometimes or start a business, just let him have it. Okay? As long as he knows what he's doing on the little one, this will be a breeze. Okay? Don't just let him have it. We just want more smokers. And the really cool thing is he's home. He won't get in trouble. He won't get drunk on the street. Just a beer and a smoker. That's all he needs. Oh wait. I forgot one more thing. You guys go on a couple trips every year. You might need a little vacation grill. You know what I mean? something you take in the car with you to the Airbnb. Couple burgers. They only got gas grills there. We don't like gas. We're trying to protect our family from propane and propane accessories. So yeah, just let us have it. And all the charcoal in the world. It's okay. It won't go bad. So as long as he's feeding you good food, just let him have it. All right. And just message me. Just message me if he needs to learn to cook a little better. Just hit me up. All right. But that's about it. Let him have it. Peace out.